Wha- What's up, son? What's going on?
Mom, that's me.
Binsoy.
Wait. Mama, oh, that's the moon.
Mactan.
Yeah, moon is.
Moon, yes. See, that's the moon. That's a beautiful moon. Do you see the halo around the moon? The circle?
It's umbrella.
Umbrella? Okay. You call it umbrella? Mommy calls it umbrella. Mommy.
Moon is very
Yeah.
using umbrella.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, when we were a child,
Yeah. Mactan, wanna
we
sing with Papa? Wanna sing?
Yeah, I was a
see
child.
it's double rainbow.
A rainbow? I just look rainbow. It's umbrella to me, as you said.
Yeah, it's umbrella.
Okay. Let me increase it. Oh, yeah. Mactan, so let's sing with Papa in Russian language. Море, море. Sing.
I cannot name that song.
The name is the sea. It says the sea, oh the sea. But in Russian, море, море. Мир бездонный, пыльный шелест волн прибрежных. Над тобой стоят, как жены нашей юности, надежды. Море, море. Sing, Mactan, sing. Море, море. You don't, you don't know Russian. I'm gonna teach you.